Hi, this is a demonstration on how you can create a Zap using NeetoCal. Let us head over and create a new Zap. The initial step is to add a trigger event. So, on clicking this, you will be shown a bunch of applications from which you will be choosing NeetoCal. In our case, NeetoCal provides two trigger events. One is a trigger event when a new booking is created and another trigger event when a booking is cancelled by a customer. So for demonstration purposes, I shall be choosing new booking event. Now our next step is to integrate our NeetoCal account with Zapier. So clicking on connect a new account, you will be redirected to this tab. In this tab, we have two fields. One is subdomain and the other is API key. Now, what is a subdomain? As the description suggests, if you're accessing NeetoCal using the link spincart.neetocal.com, then spincart is your subdomain. So this is my subdomain. Now, for the API key, let us head over to the NeetoCal dashboard. So this is my NeetoCal admin site. Let's head over to the admin panel, scroll down to other integrations section and click on Zapier. Now clicking on create API key, you will be redirected to the API keys page of the admin panel. Let's add a new Zapier API key. Select Zapier from the option. And save changes. Now you can copy this and then paste it over here. Now you can head over and continue creating your Zap. Now I've chosen my account from the drop down and my setup is done. So now let's continue. So our next step is to test our trigger event. So let me create a new booking so that we will have a new booking record in order to test the trigger event. So over here, I am on a meeting link and I will be booking a particular slot. So now I will be booking this particular slot. And yes, my meeting has been confirmed. Now, as you can see, there are n number of new booking records present over here. I'm going to choose the latest one and continue with the selected record. So, the next step is to trigger an action based on the event that is being generated. So, for demonstration purposes, I will be transferring the data that I've received from the booking to a new spreadsheet. So I've created a sample spreadsheet over here with the name, email, company size, and designation. These were the entries that I have received from the client who has booked the meeting. So now let me integrate my Google Sheet as well with the Zapier. So as you can see, I will be creating a spreadsheet row. You can choose the drive and the spreadsheet from where you want to transfer the information to. Now, as you can see, the headers of my spreadsheet is present in the Configure tab over here. Name, email, company size, and designation. So the next step is I want to map the responses that I've received from the client booking to the column fields of my spreadsheet. So name, I would choose the client name. Email, I would choose the client email. Now, let us see how we will be choosing company name, company size, and designation. If you search for company name, you might not see the response in the first go. The reason being is the field mapping that is present over here is given as formatted form response. if you expand it, you will be seeing company name. So formatted form response, company name is actually present over here. So what is special with these fields? So while I was configuring my meeting, company name, company size are the custom fields that I've added to my client booking form. So how I did that is over here in the settings tab, we have the questions settings. So company name, company size and designation are custom form fields that I have set up for the client to answer. So in order to get these form field responses, over here you will be seeing it as formatted form response. But nevertheless, if you search for the field name, you will be able to get it. So if I search for company size, this is the company size. And if I search for designation, this is the designation, and continue. And I will be testing the step. Now, as you can see, the respective form responses has been mapped to my spreadsheet. Now the last step is to publish this. And you have successfully created a Zap using NeetoCal. So every time a new booking is made, a new entry is made to the Google Sheet that you have integrated into the Zap. So now let me test this out once again by creating a new booking. So let me book a slot over here. So now I have successfully created a meeting. Now let's go and see if the Zap has been triggered. So as you can see, the information that I've received from the new booking has been mapped into this particular Google Sheet. So that is it. Thank you.